Never forgive the people who humiliate you in public, and because their goal was never to correct you, it was to crush you. They wanted an audience, not a resolution. Some people don't stab you in private. They wait for a crowd to applaud, and that's not a mistake. That's malice. If they laugh, well, you break. That's not your friend. That's a lesson. Humiliation isn't just disrespect, it's psychological. Violence disguised as jokes. They didn't correct. You in silence, they exposed. You in front of strangers. That's not love. That's ego. Public embarrassment leaves private scars, and no apology can erase the replay in your head. They knew you'd shrink. That's why they did it loudly. People who hurt your dignity in public knew exactly what they were doing, and they did it anyway. Never forget that. Ways. Some insults echo from our years, especially the ones we'd said in front of others. Don't let anyone convince you that public humiliation was just a misunderstanding. That's emotional manipulation. They didn't lose control. They used the crowd as a weapon. Forgiving those who humiliate you in public too easily is how you lose yourself silently. A person who exposes your weakness publicly is worse than an enemy, because they wore the mask of love. Some people are so insecure. The only way they feel strong is by tearing you down in front of others. Mockery disguised as honesty is still mockery. If someone destroys your image just to protect theirs, walk away with your silence and dignity. You don't owe forgiveness to those who made a circus of your pain. Never beg someone to respect you after they've already enjoyed disrespecting you in front of others. A public insult tells you what their private thoughts have always been. A public insult tells you what their private thoughts have always been. People reveal their truest character not when they praise you in public, but when they shame you there. Forgive when you're ready, not when they demand it for their own guilt, relief. When someone publicly humiliates you once, it was never their first time thinking it was just their first time saying it out loud. And someone publicly humiliates you once, it was never their first time thinking it was just their first time saying it out loud. Never forget this. A person who breaks your spirit in public is never sorry in private.